can make something out of that. But what should I make it into?
One eternity later.
Still don't got a plan. If this is you, you clicked on the right video. Thanks. To start, take your board and cut it straight in half. This board is 50 inches long, so I'll cut it at 25 inches. Take one of your pieces and then put a mark every 2 inches. Now get a 1.5 inch Forstner bit and drill through on every other dot. Oh, funny bone. That didn't hurt.
Oh, yeah, I hit my funny bone.
What I was reaching for is this square. It still tingles. Now get a square and put it down where it's a 45 right here, and make sure it's only about 3/4 of the way up the circle. Now get a regular 90 degree and make it where it intersects the bottom. And that is what your board should look like. My arm still hurts. Now cut those lines out with your bandsaw or jigsaw. Now we're going to sand it by hand, and we're also going to sand this piece. We're going to pre-drill our holes, but make sure you drill the holes where it's not at that thin part. Now we'll use this counterfeit bit, I think this is what it's called, and we'll drill into those holes so our screws can sit flushly with the board. Now we'll get these screws right here. These are 1-inch screws, and we're just going to drill them in, and hopefully it doesn't crack. Make sure it is perfectly lined up. Now just for good measure, we'll give it one more sand. All right, this is optional, but I'm gonna slap a little bit of stain on this. I'm gonna put some paper towels under it so I don't destroy my workstation. Now we'll wad some up and then dip it in there. Well guys, there you have it. This thing fits 6 hats, and I think you could probably use this at a store to display your hats. I think this might be one of my favorite projects because I have a lot of hats and I don't really have a good way to display them. So guys, if you like this video, I think you might like some of my others, so I'll put my woodworking playlist right here. And if you want to subscribe, I will put that right here. Thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.